even go off at that price. Okay, so the market opened. AMC pulling back, of course.
Oh, Netflix is gap up.
Crazy, right? Let's see. Netflix is gapping up. NFLX still going up. Crazy. Oh, okay, I see it. Yeah, up in yesterday's range.
Yeah, all my risk unit is gonna be screwing up today.
So just do one share. That's what I'm gonna do.
Oh dang that my size calculator doesn't even work.
Oh, the position size calculator doesn't even work?
Yeah.
Okay, well that's not good. That is not good. Well, let's see. Market's opening up. But might be gapping down. SPY.
Well, this is gonna be quite annoying.
Yeah. Let's just trade the SPY then today. See what happens. So the SPY gapping up. But looking like maybe a rollover. I might try this one share. I'm just going to do one shares today because I have a feeling we might get, there might be problems. And I'm not jumping in yet. I'm just watching things. Just want to see if the actual work, all the studies and everything work. Okay, let's see if I get filled. Okay, so I pressed the sell button and I did get filled right away. So that's good. And
That's interesting. One of my size calculators. Huh.
is it on everything?
Yeah, on everything.
So every single stock, your position size calculator isn't working? That's annoying. Maybe try the style that I do with just an actual, because it's probably doing something having to do with your account size or something, like, because you're set up with the position of the account. Mine is set up with
Right. With the fixed
so
number.
maybe that's why mine is okay.
Yeah.
Microsoft looks good for a short. MSFT. It's going pretty strong back down to the downside, but we could see it might bounce firm right here.
See, the problem is because mine is based on a percentage. I don't even know how much is my.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Maybe use a
Rating.
different style, different technique. Oh wow. Okay. So I got Microsoft and it's going down a little bit more. Maybe it'll keep going. I got the SPY. But I'm just using one shares right now because I do not trust the Charles Schwab or the platform or anything like that. So I just want to see if I can, take trades. I got the SPY. I'm holding Microsoft. There we go. Microsoft going down. A little bit lower Microsoft. There we go. Thank you. Let me flatten that, see if it works. Let me flatten that too, see if that works. Okay, let me go and take a look at my. So it seems like it is working when I enter trades. They do seem to be working a little bit better. Let's try another trade. I'm doing an Al Brooks on Microsoft.
GL could be a good short.
Which one?
GL.
Oh, the GL. Yeah, we keep looking at that one for hopefully it finally triggers, right? Yeah, GL does look good. It's right at the 8 though, but it does look good like it finally triggered short. So we got, I guess it triggered short on Friday. So today's a good day.
Oh great! Now I don't even know where's my entry or where's my.
It's not giving you the correct thing.
No, I don't. Yeah, I have no idea where is my entry is. My average price and stuff. No clue.
Okay, that's annoying. Yeah, GL looks like a good short. As far as swing trades though, yeah, I guess it could be a good short. See, I think it's a good swing trade short, but I think you'd have to put your stop all the way above this wick. I think let's see here. What do I, let me get rid of that. Come on, Microsoft, keep going. Come on, buddy. Ooh, GL trigger, I think, but I'm not jumping in. I'm just looking at these things. Tesla going up. Let's see if Tesla's normally gives me problems with my position size calculator and everything. Let's see if it does it today. Trying to go up over yesterday's high, bouncing off at the 20. There goes NVIDIA breaking out today's range, but I don't trust NVIDIA. You look to the left, there's the wick from yesterday on Friday. It's stuck inside a range. So I think this is just a spike to the upside that's going to be probably short-lived. Look at the volatility too on NVIDIA. It's really nasty. Okay, let's see how this is working. So far, it seems okay. I'm still hesitant on going in with anything more than one share.
Baba is going up.
Yeah, Baba looks good for a nice continuation. Let's see. Baba was looking good. BABA. Breaking out of the pre-market high, so that's not bad.
Yeah.
Let's try that.
Well, Tesla is popping up.
Yeah, Tesla's going up. Microsoft looks like a good short still, more to downside. Why is it not showing me my position size calculator? Well, it shows. Oh, so something's going. Yeah, that's interesting. My quantity, the quantity button. So I think that study isn't working anymore or something. Let's see.
Yeah, that's gonna really screw up my thing. I guess I have to just
Yeah, I mean, luckily I can see a number, but yeah, it's not showing me on the quantity button, like the quantity thing. It doesn't give me that. I guess we'll have to look at why. It doesn't make any sense, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, because even if I put more shares in, it's not telling me. There we go. Come on, NVIDIA. Nice. Now, if only I'd been doing it look at NVIDIA. I got NVIDIA short. I got the SPY short. I got Microsoft. I'm going to flatten Microsoft now and NVIDIA. Getting down into support here. Yeah, that's weird. Let's see. What if I go to that study and I go to my
MU is looking kind of good.
open P&L? Yeah, it's the open P&L. It's there. Show risk unit. Okay. Show entry price. Show average. Oh, show average entry price. Let me do that. Yes. I want to see average entry price. So maybe the show dollar. Okay, show dollar P&L. No. Show quantity. Yes. Risk unit 50. Show average entry price. Show full stop. Yes. Okay, maybe that'll change things. Nah, it's still not working. That's weird. Yeah, it's not calculating at the same time. That's really frustrating, right? What a load of crap. Dang it. I don't know. I don't know why. That's super weird. Yeah, it makes it definitely hard. You don't know where your full risk unit is. And I don't even, the only way I know that I have a position is thanks to you showing me that extra thing that you can add to the chart.
Yeah.
I mean, add to the top of the chart that, says the position. But yeah, other than that, there's no way of knowing. Like I have to look over at the current account thing to see that I'm up, 29 cents or 30 something cents. That is kind of weird. Huh. Okay, that is strange. And if I go in full risk, it's not. Yeah, it doesn't show me quantity or anything.
Yeah. Probably better is like just try to figure out this first before I trade. So I might not get to trade today.
Yeah, that's probably, or just if you do trade with one share. I'm gonna send you this code. Maybe this is the only thing that's not working, which is very interesting. It seems like this is the only thing that's not working. Let's see. Okay. Copy. Copy. Okay. Let me go to paste. Copy and then, oh, that's annoying.
Yeah, quite annoying.
Yeah, it is very annoying. If I had been trading with my correct thing today, I'd be probably up like 5 hours with these trades. Look at NVIDIA. I mean, like level 1 on the 5 minute.
Wow.
Yeah. Microsoft.
Meta. Well, Meta, just look at that ball by ball.
Yeah. And now even Baba's going up still for me. I've had nothing but 100% gains on these things. But the thing is, it's just, yeah, unfortunately.
Look at GameStop going up.
Yeah, so I made $7 today, trading one share. One share on each, but gosh, look at that. Oh gosh, it's still going down. I'm all out of everything. I don't know why it's not working. I feel like that code should work, right? The one that I just sent. That's like, there's nothing. Super strange. Let's try this.
You should just long Baba, huh?
Yep, that's what I did. Yeah. When you told me I long Baba, it looked great. SMCI looks like a good, still good going down. Oh, Netflix. Oh, well, the whole market's dropping. Lovely. Funny thing is, if the market wasn't dropping, AMC would probably be skyrocketing. Same with GME, and same with BABA, because they're still going up even though the market's going down. So you can kind of see like, oh wow. Guess we're gonna just have to let things go without us for right now. That's kind of weird. Yeah, kind of weird that you can't. That quantity thing doesn't work. Doesn't show my quantity. Doesn't show my R unit or anything like that. Super strange.
You know what? I have a theory what may happen. Is that they don't have record from result from yesterday. So.
But what about me? Mine has nothing to do with
oh yeah, you're
a record. Right. You know what I'm saying? And that's the code that I sent, the one that I sent you just now.
Yeah.
That one is just about, my risk, just like the simple $50 risk. So I don't know. I think, yeah, it must be something else, because if it was only about that, then this one would definitely work, because this has nothing to do with the account size or anything like that.
Yeah.
In that code, it's just saying $50. I don't know. Kind of strange.
Oh. GL stopped me out. Well, I have to start looking into this again and figure things out.
Yeah. I think you're right. Just wait until. I mean, I'm gonna have fun anyway and just trade with one shares. That's what I'm doing, because there's no way for me to know. I can see that if whatever the risk unit is, it might not even be right too. Let's see. It says BABA, I could take 7 shares based off of 14 shares. Okay, so if that's correct, 14. Yeah, that's about a $10 R unit. So maybe it is correctly doing that as far as the blobs, the little but the quantity button, the quantity thing, and the other thing aren't working. So when you don't go in a trade, you wouldn't know that you have any, like yours is not showing any position, right? It doesn't even tell you if you have a position or not.
What?
Like your the quantity thing, all that stuff is 0, right?
Which one?
For your when you know position size calculator kind of thing, my thing shows quantity as 0
No,
if I get into a
it just
trade.
say NA not available.
Oh, okay. So mine shows 0 even if I get into buy one share. Still 0. Shows that I have 0 shares. And so because of that, it's not referencing, it's not giving me a position, like an actual legit position size kind of thing. So very weird.
Google might be able to show it.
Google, okay, let me take a look. GOOG. Yeah, totally. Let's see if I can get a position to show up. No, still no position. That's weird. Okay. Super strange.
Yeah, I might have to do what you do and just get a fixed dollar amount rather than a percentage.
Well, if you can get that one to work, mine's not even working, period. The only thing that's working on my chart are my studies and the little squares that tell me how many shares I can take for a risk unit. But they're not telling me when I get into a trade, it's the like the area that shows the quantity.
No, I don't even have the size at all, so at least you don't have the size.
Oh wow, okay. So yeah, then you can't even do that at all. That's not good. Yeah, so I wouldn't even know where my average price is if I added to this Tesla trade. Nothing. Like, it's like, or like, let's say I shorted an Al Brooks and then it comes up against me. I wouldn't know.
I mean, you don't need, technically, you don't really need that line where the average price is to enter with a stop that you already know.
Well, the thing is, I use it because I want to make sure, like, so when I get into a trade, I want to know where my stop loss is, right?
Yeah, and
so
you already know that.
One. But I also need the average price because, like, let's say I get filled really shitty. It tells me where that price is, and then let's say I want to add to the trade. As I'm adding, that average price line is moving. So I know, okay, if I add 5 shares and it moves down a little bit closer to the price.
Yeah, but still, it's not that, like, I mean, at least you have a share size. That's the important thing. Your stop loss shouldn't be that, I mean, it doesn't make much of a difference. You're off by, a little bit. You know what I mean?
I don't know. I feel like it does help me every little thing because I've done trades. where I tell you, like, where I'm like, okay, I'm gonna take a long here. It's an Al Brooks, but if it pulls back to this level, I'm gonna add.
Yeah,
because I know.
And your stop should be where your new setup is. And I don't think it should make much of a difference if you trade correctly. Technically, your stop is a certain area. It's just now that your size is because you say you go in like 1/5 of the risk, right?
Yeah, 1/5 of the risk.
Yeah, so you have like 5 ads. So one ad doesn't make change much. You know what I mean? So.
Yeah, that's true. That's true. Although, it's just nice to know those things.
Yeah, it's nice, but then it doesn't kill your P&L that much. Okay, so I can't really take any trade without this stupid thing not working.
Oh, Meta looks like a little 3-bar play.
Yeah.
I might try this. And also Microsoft 3-bar play. Things are starting to get extended, but you never know. It could get even more extended.
Well, there's really no point in streaming this thing,
Here's a 3-bar play in Microsoft. Hopefully it keeps dropping.
Yeah.
Come on, a little lower, Microsoft. Did the scalp. All right, let's see. Ah, it's annoying. God. See, I wish I would know where my average price is and everything, because the thing is, I could keep adding to this Baba trade going up, Al Brooks style.
Yeah.
And I want to know as I add where my full risk would be. You know, where my stop loss is and where my new position is based off of where I'm adding. Ah, one way. Okay. Bob, I think, could be a short eventually too. Under a level 1. Once it gets him a 5-minute doji bar here. Huh, that's super weird. Why is everything... Yeah, Google looks good. FTRE looks good too. FTRE, but I'm gonna... I don't know why I can't... Oh, so strange. Took a level 1 long on Microsoft here. Let's see if it works. Thinking up to 413 could be good. Just one share. 413. Come on, buddy.
Okay, so if I set it mine to a fixed amount, it seems to be working.
Which one?
If I set it to fixed amount, it will seem to be working.
Oh, it says it seems to be working. Okay, that's good.
At least have a fixed amount.
That's good. That's very nice.
Microsoft is bouncing.
Yeah, I took that long. It's a little bit. Might have to jump back in this short. We'll see. Might just be a retest. SPY looks like it's doing a level 1 at the 20 period moving average, or sorry, the VWAP, but actually I think it's going to do a little chop fest up here. I could see One more little jump. Wow, GME. Okay.
I know, I just mowed my ball.
Yeah. GME. Woo! Nice. This could be a good short eventually. It'll run out with a 5-minute doji bar at the top. Ooh, it's going to be epic. I shorted the Baba. Level 1 right there. The little scalp. 1 share. And also GME's halted. Oh.
Okay, Baba is pulling back. Good sign.
Yeah. Now, see, the thing is, if I had that position, the whole thing correctly done on my thing, then what would I do here is basically, as it pulls back to the 8 and bounces off the 8, I'd buy, but I would see that my stop loss based off of my share size would probably be down at the low of day. And then if it does a double bottom and then bounces again, I might add to it and increase my stop loss. It's a little higher, just a little higher, Things like that. I feel like Tesla's trying to go up maybe to, yeah, it's getting a little extended there, Tesla. As far as, but it could bounce. Be a nice bounce.
Yeah, now I need to figure out how I can remove some of this quantity thing that I don't have.
Yeah. There goes Netflix. Still above yesterday's price.
Okay, Baba's looking better for short.
Took the Tesla short right here, but it was just a scalp. Got it down. Yeah, I'm just having fun with 1 shares here.
Meta.
All right, there goes Microsoft.
Meta, it's at the VWAP.
Yeah, Meta's at the VWAP. Meta could be a short coming up here. We'll see what it does at this VWAP. Thinking Microsoft coming up here. We'll see if it's a nice little VWAP rejection. Waiting for GME to be unhalted. We could go a little higher and finally get me that 5-minute doji bar that I want.
You plan to short that?
I need to see a doji bar, but yeah, eventually I think it's going to get. I mean, look at the size of today's bar.
Yeah,
this is insane, right? And then if you look to the left, probably find out where it is at the weekly. Let's see, weekly time frame. Yeah, we're definitely into some resistance here. So just hopefully it keeps going a little higher before giving me the doji bar.
GME.
Did not give me the doji bar. That might be it. Dang it. That's not cool. It's not cool, Jimmy. I wanted to go a little higher before dropping. Now it's halted to the downside. So of course it's gonna drop. It's gonna open up, drop again. So now the only way I can short it now is I have to see it go down, bounce, come up, do it.
Do I trust Baba to go higher?
Yeah, I think so. It's been strong. I mean, just don't take it on the level 1 here. This is the trap.
Yeah.
Taking a level 1, it's like a very shallow pullback. I would wait for a level 2. Nvidia is looking good for more downside. Same with Microsoft, especially when it gets to that level. Same with Meta.
Tesla could be long.
Yeah, Tesla looks good. Breaking out, level 1.
You know what? Trading without this entry
It's hard,
thing,
isn't it?
it might be a good thing.
Yeah, it definitely is hard. Yeah, it definitely makes it difficult.
I should have went in Baba, maybe like small share add on a level 2.
Well, I'm gonna get in over the high. I think is good. Yeah, Tesla looks pretty good back down to the 8. Here comes Microsoft, looking like a level 1 here. A little shallow. Buy, giving us a level 1 here. Here comes Baba over the high.
Oh, did I got in Baba?
Oh,
Yep.
GME, dang it. Look at it. See all that miss.
Woo.
Oh. Nice. Netflix is setting up a... So I took that GME short right at the open when it opened up. Not the best because my stop has to be all the way up at 38, but I don't know how many shares to take. Yeah. That looks great.
Well, this Baba is not going. It's annoying.
Yeah, Baba had a breakout failure. 2-minute time could kind of give us that.
Power setup.
I'm currently up 21 bucks for the day. So I think I'm gonna half an hour, but I don't even know. I don't even know how to trade now. I feel like a blind. I feel blind.
Yep, me too.
It's like I'm taking like 1 shares, 2 shares here and there, but it's like I don't know. I don't know where my risk unit would be. I'm just looking at the numbers that it says to take, and I'm choosing the smallest number, and even going in half. Some of them are saying 0. Like NVIDIA, it says 0. Because I can't even take 1 share based off of, I guess, because the size is so big, you can't even take a one. Yeah, based off the stop size. Oh, okay. Let me try. Yeah. And also my I have an up or down 2% scanner. That's not working. Let's see what scanners are working. All stocks is working. High, low. Okay, that's working. Gaps today. That FTRE looks like it's trying to go up. Oh, okay. Tesla's coming back down to retest the VWAP for a long here. Hello. Okay, so why is my up or down? So the only scanner that doesn't seem to be working right now is the up or down 2%. Oh, now it's working. All right, weird. I had to like reload it.
Oh, interesting. Okay.
Yeah. Maybe. Let's try that. Let me go to style. Style. Let's see if my styles are still saved. Seems like it's still saved. Microsoft trying to go back up to VWAP. Here, let's see what it does at VWAP. Pretty much done. I feel like I could get myself into trouble continuing to trade, you know?
Yeah.
It's like it's really hard. Can't figure out how many shares to take, and it feels uncomfortable. It's weird not knowing. This is how majority. It's funny. The way I'm trading right now, this is how majority of traders are trading in the market. They're just saying like, I'll take 100 shares of this. I'll take 50 shares. That seems like a good amount. It's a higher price stock. I'll take 25 shares. And there's no.
But the thing is,
idea.
your risk unit calculator still work though.
It does, but I'm just going one share anyway on things because the reason why I don't want to do it because I know my $10 risk unit is based off of certain prices on the chart, and I plan to add it. I can't figure out that aspect of it. Weird.
I mean, you have for your full R, you have to have like add 5 times.
But it depends on where I'm doing. So, like for instance, let's say I do one.
Don't you have the average price that's shown up on your thing?
No, nothing is showing up. Yeah, that's what I was saying.
No, this is built in though.
What?
This built in like I know my entry price is at the average price is tell me.
Oh, you're saying on the chart?
Yeah.
Or on the. No, my thing is not working on the chart.
It's not something I built. It's built into the Thinkorswim.
Oh, you mean over on the current account? Like if I look to the left?
I don't know where you said it, but I have mine where it's tell me what's my average price is.
Okay, yeah. For me, in order for me to see the average price, I have to look to the left on where it says current account positions.
Yeah. Okay.
But the thing is, I like seeing that visual reference, that blue line on the chart. Like I said,
blue line. Yes, but now we don't have that luxury.
I know. I'm just saying. I feel uncomfortable. Yeah. It's like going into battle and you don't have all the. You don't have all your weapons that you normally have, but you're asking to still battle.
I feel like it's a double-edged thing, where hey, you know what, it could be good, or it could be like for example, I'm in MU short and I don't really have a visual of where my entry is, but it's allowed me to go ball by ball really good.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I mean, I guess if you don't see it, you have it makes it so you trade based off of what the chart is doing and not what you won't see like, oh wow, I'm really far away. But I think also for me, I really like being able to add to a trade, and
I mean, you have 5 add, you can add 1, and it doesn't hurt you.
Oh, I know, but still, I don't like it. It doesn't feel comfortable. Like I love seeing that blue line move when I add, and I know, okay, I added here.
Yeah, looks
like I really want to. Let's see, Microsoft.
Look like double top on Bama.
Yeah, totally. I'm hoping this GME can bounce and go back up. I think I'm going to be done. Look at the market's going to be choppy now in this range. Let's see if I go to do you notice also if you go to setup and you pull down setup, there's Street Smart Edge there?
Huh?
If you go down, you go to setup at the top of the Thinkorswim. You scroll down, there's something called Street Smart Edge.
Oh, yeah, what the hell is that?
That's their platform, so I don't know what that is, but I'm scared to touch it.
Oh, I see.
Yeah. Damn. Why is that study not working anymore? It should totally work. There's nothing weird about this. Oh, that's weird. Okay. Okay, here's Tesla, level 1. NVIDIA, level 1 right here, I'm finding very sloppy. Trading inside yesterday's range slightly, so that's not good. I think we might get a couple hours of this chop. So I'm just going to just lay out. Oh, wow, NVAX is popping up. Finally going back up. Oh, broke over yesterday's high. Nice. Level 1 just triggered on Tesla. Oh, God. Okay. I'm just calling it a day. How's everything going?
I'm down. Let me see. I'm down 1.5 all right now.
Oh, okay. So your R unit's working now?
Nope.
Oh, it's not. Okay.
Tesla could be a. Tesla could
Yeah.
be a good bounce.
Yeah, there's a level 1 right there. It looks nice.
Yeah.
Oh. NVAX is going up climactic. This is very nice. Could jump in long on that. There's the Outbrooks moving up good. Hopefully it keeps going a little higher. Yeah, something tells me that after a little while, the SPY and everything is just going to be choppy for a little while. Unfortunately, kind of sitting inside this range. Up and down, up and down. I wonder where NVAX could go today. Let's go to a weekly time frame. See if we got any resistance here. Could possibly get up to 15. That's possible.
Nice. MU short is working.
Oh, great. Awesome. MU, let's take a look. MU. Good job. Yeah, you got that level 1 right there at the VWAP.
Yep.
Nice.
Right, break even for the day.
Nice.
Kind of green now actually.
Oh, cool, man. That's great.
Take a pause on this MU.
Yeah, Microsoft looks good for a level 1 right here. Let's see. Tesla's trying to go back up.
Tesla going back up. May have to be a good short.
Yeah. Yeah, we're at the 20 right here. Looks great.
Yeah, I'm going in small though.
Yeah, I like it.
Wow, this U-trade was doing pretty well.
Mm-hmm.
I'm up half an hour for the day.
Oh, nice, man.
My biggest loss would be Barber. Got that taken out of Tesla.
Mm-hmm. Microsoft working pretty good.
Yeah. Look at you. That's awesome.
Oh, you? Okay, let me take a look.
I'm sorry, MU. My bad.
Oh, MU. Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's great, man. Great. S&P looks good.
Oh, you were getting good. You, on the other hand, have been good to go long.
Yeah. Mhm. All right. Well, I'm up $32 for the day, so I think got that nice level 1 on NVIDIA and nice level 1 on Microsoft. And they all moved down a little bit to where I figured they'd move. And I think I'm going to just close the platform until I can figure out why the heck I can't see my position here. That's a real bummer.
Yeah.
Why don't it at least show me the quantity? Or super weird.
I know, right? It's
I wonder if there's just a code, a different name in the code or something. I think Baba could still end up being a long over the high. We'll see.
yeah, it may stop me out.
Yeah.
MU stop me out.
Tesla's coming back down. I'm thinking Tesla might go about to the 20 today, since the market is kind of bearish.
Yeah.
And then we can get a just having fun scalping this one. Okay. Close it down. Looks like chop coming in. Let's see, I'm going to do a test actually. I'm going to close this down. And then reopen it and see if maybe the studies work. Could just been, I don't know, maybe just have to reopen the chart or reopen Thinkorswim.
Oh yeah, try that. See if that helps.
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna try. I'm gonna see if it changes things here.
Tesla has level 2 go to the downside. I don't want to take that.
Yeah, it does. Keep in mind it's green for the day, but it still works. Creating desktop. Let's see if it loads the way it's supposed to load. Think script, all that stuff. Okay, it's loading. Popping up. Yeah. Yeah, it looks like it's working so far, the platform. Now let's see if I do a trade. For the R unit. Let's try NVAX. NVAX. Try one share. Oh. Now let's try that one share. No. Unfortunately, it still doesn't show it. Yeah. Dang it. All right, well. Worth a shot.
Yeah.
Maybe it's under application settings. I don't know.
Add it to Meta.
Nice. Yeah, GME is looking good for more downside. I'm just out of everything now because I'm just trying to figure out why the heck this is not working. Let's try that. Okay. Okay. Loading. Monitor. Working. Save workspace as. Okay. All right. Well, I'm just gonna call it a day now. So let's see. Change this. Mark percent change. Okay, let's do this one more time. Setup. Save workspace. All right. Okay. Quit. All right. Trust this device. Okay. Well, I'm just gonna call it a day. Made like 32 or like around 32, 33 bucks. And
Sounds good.
yeah, I mean, I would like to make an R unit or a couple R's for the day, but the thing is, all my trades were so small shares, and I was happy with the trade, but I just wasn't happy with my feeling of going into battle without all my war, all my weapons.
Yeah.
So. Plus, I was at any time, I'm thinking at any moment the platform, could have weird glitch, or all of a sudden I'm in a trade and it won't let me get out, like what happened, back in Charles Schwab. So, I mean, all their problems they said were platform issues every time I call them up, and that was the Street Smart Edge platform.
Yeah.
So, and what's her name trades with Street Smart Edge, Lynn. And I would tell her, like, do you ever have these issues? And she's like, oh, yeah, all the time. And I'm thinking, like, why are you with them? This is just bad. Anyway. Well, I hope you do good. Don't go red for the day. Just take it easy.
I'm slightly red for the day, actually. So I'm also thinking of slowing down. Yeah.
Okay.
I was up like I think half an hour, I think.
Oh, okay.
And then give it all back.
Shit. Just the one trade?
Oh no, on a couple trades, GL Baba was actually my biggest loss.
Yeah,
GL I'm down 1-0. Baba
GL,
down 1.5 all.
The reason why I didn't trade the GL is I was like looking at it and I was thinking like, to be honest, for me, the trade looks great. Like the trade looks great, but the stop to me, based on the daily chart, it looks like a swing
Yeah,
trade.
the daily looks bullish. I don't know why I trade that thing on the short side.
Yeah, like you're basically shorting down into an 8 in the 20.
Yeah.
That's below it. So I was like, I don't know.
Right there too. Yeah.
Yeah, and I could see that when we do that intraday, we get a move, but then we always get a lot of bounce at those moving averages, and then we have to like change things around, and then we have to wait for it to finally get under. And so I've always noticed like when I do those types of trades, they're always scalps for me.
Yeah.
And then after that, I kind of just so that's why I avoided it. But other than that, I felt like the pattern was great. I guess that's why it's so important to look at the daily and be like, you know what? Where is it going to go? Also, another thing that tipped me off too was why is like Microsoft and Nvidia and other things like all in the market dropping really hard, but you have stocks like GL that should be going too, and it's just paused.
Yeah.
It's not going. So I'm like, okay, so that's a form of relative strength to the market, you know, that strength. And same with like Tesla, it's a form of relative strength. It may not have relative strength later on, but at the moment in time, it's showing like BABA showed strength on those things. So I wouldn't be surprised if Tesla and BABA, if the market finds a bottom, that they stay bullish for the day because they were showing that strength earlier on.
I might short this Microsoft on a level 2.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah, looks good. I'm going to this place today. They're going to scan my sinuses, and it's kind of cool. So basically like they scan your sinuses, and then they after, if you're a candidate for this thing, they do this surgery that requires just requires numbing. That's all they do is numb the area. But the surgery is like painless, and they stick this thing up into your nose and go into your sinus and just open up the sinus cavities. So that way you can breathe like really nice all the time. So that's my plan for today. I'm gonna go get that done.
Okay.
Yeah, and my insurance is great. I have a motion picture insurance, MPI.
Yeah.
And they like cover so much. It's crazy. They're like amazing insurance. So I'm going there today. Like I get I don't know how many chiropractic adjustments a year for free through my insurance. It's so nice. And it's all because of my wife. She's got, she's in the industry, so we get this stuff. You see that there's a show called Fallout that's on television.
Oh yeah.
So we went to this premiere showing for it, and they give us all this food, and it was like amazing. And it's all just because she's in the makeup, union or whatever. All right. Yeah, I think this is a call of a day. I mean, it'll be like a small green day, and just a learning process with the new platform.
Kind of busy there at the moment. So.
Funny thing is, I traded so good today. I just traded with 1 share, 2 shares. And if I traded with like the full amount that said I could do, I think I'd be up a couple R. So tomorrow I'll increase it just a little bit, because I still don't trust Charles Schwab. I'm telling you, they're like really screwed me over many times. So I'm hoping that Hey, buddy. Hi. Mm-hmm.
Nice.
It's really bad.
Okay, I'm going for a day. I think I'm just gonna lock it in, trying to figure out all this crappy stuff that's going on.
Okay. Sounds good. Yeah. It's not too bad. It could be worse. All of our studies could not work.
Yeah. Well, Meta is still going down, but I already got out right after view it.
Yeah. Yeah, I think that was a smart move. You never know. I mean, the day to bearish day as far as meta and stuff like that.
Yeah, so I'm having all for the day.
Oh, nice.
So not too bad. Yeah, and I just need to figure out how all this stuff can